Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Full Stack WebGIS Application Development course. In this course, I'll provide hands-on training of how to develop a WebGIS application from scratch. So what you will learn in this course? So we'll use different technologies to develop the course project. For spatial databases, we'll use Postgres to store geospatial data, and then we will use Geoserver. Geoservers provide capability to serve geospatial data. We will publish data from spatial database on Geoserver, and then visualize the data in our front end, and then we will use GeoDjango. GeoDjango basically provide the capability to develop REST framework on Postgres, and then these APIs are consumed by our front end to visualize the data. So for data visualization, we will use different frameworks. We will create same application using React, and then using Angular, and then on Vanilla.js, and then for mapping libraries we will use Leafletjs and Mapbox GLJS. So objective of this course is that there is no consolidated source of WebGIS development content on YouTube. So this will be the first consolidated full stack WebGIS development course, and I will provide the conceptual and practical implementation of different GIS technologies. And then by the end of this course, I'm expecting that you will be a full stack WebGIS developer with full experience of front end and back end. So who can take this course? Of course, GIS professionals and students. Any web developer can take this course to have an added skill of handling spatial data, and then anyone having basic knowledge of GIS can take this course to enhance his skill. So who am I? I am Sadat, having 5 years of experience in WebGIS product development, and I have experience of database handling, and then data processing, and then web application development. So I'll be teaching you all these technologies one by one in this course, and then in the coming courses. Please subscribe to my channel so you get the latest video in this course. Thank you.